Kabalo mo mubasa? Tanan?
Yes, ma'am.
So, sige, atong basa. Ako sa una mubasa. Then, after me, kamo na dayon. So, I am a child who feels so glad. I have 2 eyes to see everything around me. I have 2 ears to hear sounds, both far and near. I have a nose to smell others I can tell. I have a tongue to tell me if food is sweet and salty. And I have my hands to feel hot and warm, cold and chill. So, can everybody read this poem? Okay. So, what have you observed? Unsay yung nakita diri sa poem? Unsay mga words nga naadya? Ikaw, unsa man? What have you observed? Eyes. Okay, very good. Ikaw? Ears. Ikaw? Nose. And then, unsa pa? Smell. Okay, very good. So, I want you to close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. You and your mata. Sige. And if you mata piyong, I want you to unsa inyong nadunggan sa palibot? You, unsa? Sige, stand up. Sige, open your eyes. Unsa imong nadunggan? Saba. Saba ang palibot. So, the surroundings, saba. Sige. Unsa dayon? When you open your eyes, tanaw din mo sa, look at the things around you. Look, tanawa. Sige, tanaw sa palibot. So, what did you see? Unsa inyong nakita? Isa-isaon ako. Sige. Ikaw, unsa imong nakita? Sa palibot niyo, bisag unsa imong nakita? Ha? Tao. Ikaw? Oh, the clock. Okay. Ikaw? Oh, fruits. Wow, fruits. Nakita niya ang mga fruits. Kamu sa likod, unsa imong nakita?
Flower.
Oh, nakita siya sa flower. Okay. So, well, unsa inyong smell? Unsa inyong nakimutan? Smell. Mood ang unsa man? kanang magpili kung isa ka butang diri sa box kanang inyo na yung inyo sa inyong classmates. Example, kanang magkuha mo kuan diri na radyo ang kani sa radyo ang gamiton ani pag-observe kay unsa man ears. So, ang sense na gamiton is the sense of hearing and the sense organ na gamiton kay ang ears. Ana, sabot mo? Yes? Okay. So, I will call 5 students. So, ikaw first. Ikaw, alin diri. So, what object did he pick? Unsa man na? What is that? Oh, it's cell phone or radio. See. And what sense organ do you use to observe that? Unsa nga? Ear. So, what sense? Sense of hearing. Okay. Sense of hearing. Very good. So, what? Again, class, unsa gani ang sense organ nga gamiton pag what? Ears. Organ. Sense organ. Ears. Unsa nga sense? Sense of hearing. Okay. Next. Kinsa ang next? Volunteer. Ikaw, ale, volunteer. Speak. Na. A marker. So, unsa ang gamiton nimo sa marker? Sense of eyes. Okay. The sense organ that she will use in observing that marker is